something simple drives us. We're hungry to do more, to know more, and to go more. Because we're driven by the desire to keep moving. And we all want to move in the same direction, forward. The road ahead leads to improvement, innovation, and success. Here at Great Plains Industries, we know that forward starts with something as simple as fuel. That's why we've engineered fuel transfer pumps that just don't quit. Because you need a pump that can keep pace. Easy installation, operation, and maintenance make GPI pumps more reliable and longer lasting than any other brand in the field. That's right. So, if forward's where you want to go, there's only one name you need to know. GPI Fueling Forward, right here in the USA since 1972. Let's go.